Have you been thinking about real estate market in Arlington Heights? Are you unsure how stable the market is? In this video, we'll be talking about the current state of real estate in Arlington Heights and what it means for prospective buyers and sellers. Welcome to How is the Market in Arlington Heights, September 2023 edition. Let's dive into the newest real estate statistics right now. Are you in search of the perfect real estate opportunity? Do you want to find the next great deal on your next purchase? Foreclosure might be not the best options right now. As someone who's been tracking real estate data in our area for past 8 years, I can tell you the next 3 months will offer the lowest price properties and the highest number of homes with price reductions. In previous years, the price differences between buying a house in late fall or winter versus waiting until the spring could be as much as 11%. Although sold prices increased by 3.66% to $474,000 in August, it's unlikely the prices will continue to rise this year. Due to the seasonal nature in the market, prices will gradually decrease at the end of the year, creating an excellent opportunity for buyers to purchase their dream homes. Are you going to look out for homes in an area with reduced prices? Well, the average price of available houses last month was $612,000, based on 105 currently in the market. But there's an interesting fact. Out of the 132 homes that were sold, the average asking price was only $471,000. Additionally, homes under contract have an average asking price of $453,000, with 116 currently in that category. If we dig deeper into those numbers, we'll notice that higher price homes are not selling as quickly. Larger homes at higher price points are experiencing slower movement, while lower price homes, they will see a lot of multiple offer situation. This indicates market inequality. If their sellers overprice larger homes with lack of desirable finishes, they'll need to adjust their prices. If you're a buyer in today's market, you might have an opportunity to secure a bigger, better home with more room to negotiate the final sales price. Have you noticed a decrease in prices in our area? The sold price to asking price ratio has dropped to 100.57%, which is significant, 1.3% decrease from last month, the biggest drop this year. Although the ratio is still above 100%, this reduction indicates the start of market seasonality trends. Property owners will still be compelled to lower their prices or to take their homes off the market and try again in the spring. At the beginning of the year, homes were receiving 5 to 8 offers, but now multiple offers are less common. As a buyer, you might have opportunity to negotiate the asking price down during your next real estate transaction. Discover the shift in the housing market and decline in closings on the horizon. Last month boasted a record-breaking 132 units sold, but brace yourself for a decrease in the coming months. As families strive to secure homes in ideal school districts before the end of the summer, it's only natural for this number to dwindle. The market follows the seasonality trend, and we anticipate a gradual decrease in sales until the end of 2023. It's worth noting that currently we're operating at only 75% of the pace set in 2022 and mere 57% of sales pace set in 2021. Let the number speak for themselves. While 1,486 homes were sold in the first 8 months of 2021, we only seen 848 closings this year. The drop in sales were particularly noticeable in higher price points in this area. Attention buyers, exciting news in today's market. While the sold prices to asking price ratio might have dropped, it also experienced a surge of new properties entering the market. A whopping 107 new listings have become available. Some sellers have taken advantage of the house sale prices for the spring and put their homes up for sale. Although we're starting to see signs of the market slowing down slightly due to the seasonality, new inventory is on the rise. This means to you as a buyer, you have a greater opportunity to snag a better price home this year. Don't wait for spring or for the rates to drop. Typically, the spring market brings higher sale prices, and lower rates can lead to more competition and more multiple offers. Act now to secure a dream home. Discover unique insight into the housing market, the months of inventory number. While there might be concern about low inventory, the average available homes currently stand on 1.1 months. However, the number varies significantly depending on the price range. For those seeking a smaller starter homes under $400,000, the months of inventory number is extremely low, less than 0.8. In the most popular price ranges of $400,000 to $600,000, there's an average of 1.1 months of inventory of homes. But there's where the opportunity lies for buyers in the higher price points. The months of inventory increases to 1.6 between $600,000 and $800,000 and reaches over 3.7 months of available inventory for homes listed over $800,000. This means if you're looking for a larger home in a higher price range, you encounter less competition and you might be even able to negotiate a bigger discount on the asking price during the fall and winter selling seasons. Take advantage of this knowledge to find your dream home at an incredible value. Are you curious to know what other buyers are experiencing in the housing market? Last month, there were 2,651 showings in our area, the lowest so far of this year. As more homes become available, prices are expected to decrease. This means to you as a buyer, you have less competition and fewer multiple offer situations. Homeowners with vacant properties might feel pressured to sell by the end of the year, leading to even more price reductions. These sellers might also be more open to negotiations, offering you a better deal compared to competing listings. Attention sellers, are you worried about selling your home before winter? It's important to keep an eye on these crucial statistics. Showing per listing. Last month, the average was 11 showings per listing. However, many sellers make the common mistake. They focus solely on recent sold prices and neglect consider market seasonality trends. While earlier this year, homes were receiving nearly 18 showings per listing, the number has dropped to 11 and will continue to decrease until the end of the year. With fewer showings and more inventory coming into the market, you won't receive the same level of attention as during the spring. Don't expect to sell your home the same amount of money in the fall market. Keep this in mind as you navigate the selling process. Are you seeing homes stay on the market for longer these days? The average number of days on the market is currently at low 38. But there are signs that the number is starting to rise. Based on the data I have gathered for over past 8 years, I predict this trend will continue and homes will take longer to sell this year due to increased inventory and colder weather in the fall market. Another factor that will impact the number of days on the market is increasing interest rates. If you're planning to sell your home, you still have around 45 days to list and sell it this year. However, if you haven't listed your home by November, it might be worth considering whether waiting until the spring market will be a better option. Reach out to me for all the available statistics to help you make the most informed decision. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you found the information and insights about today's market very helpful. If you enjoyed it, I would greatly appreciate if you could subscribe to our channel, give this video a like or two, or leave a comment below. If you have any concerns about the market and coming fall, if you have any specific situations that you would like to discuss, feel free to schedule a quick Zoom meeting with me by clicking by the link below. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'm super excited to connect with you in the future.